Here's how to fix Crunchyroll Premium not working in under 5 minutes, covering the most common causes so you can stop seeing ads or locked content on a paid account. First, you're going to check if you are signed into the correct account. So you're just going to tap on the profile icon right here at the top right corner of your screen. And then the number one reason Crunchyroll does not recognize a premium subscription is a second account created with a different email or a social login like Google or Apple that differs from the email tied to your subscription. So you're just going to check right here if the name is correct and that is your account. Just open your account settings and confirm that the email address matches the one you used when you subscribed. So just click on your settings icon right here and then you're going to check your profile. So you're just going to click on membership info right here and then you're going to check on your account as well, which you can see this email tab. You're just going to tap on it. Now, the next is to check your subscription status. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your membership info under the general setting. And then from there, you're going to confirm if it shows active. If it shows as expired or inactive, your last payment may have failed. Just check your payment method and update it if needed. Now, after that, if your subscription shows as inactive but premium features still are not working, you're just going to log out of the app completely and then log back in. So you're going to tap on your profile icon once again, and then from the bottom of your screen you can see the log out button. You're just going to tap on that. Now, this forces the app to resync your account status from Crunchyroll servers and often resolves the issue immediately. But if you subscribed through a third-party Apple, Google Play, Amazon, Roku, or YouTube TV, the fix is different. Your billing is managed entirely by that platform, not by Crunchyroll directly. Just open your subscriptions in that platform settings and confirm the Crunchyroll subscription is active and paid there. Now, it can take a few minutes after payment for partner platforms to push access through your Crunchyroll account. But if none of these work, uninstall the Crunchyroll app completely, reinstall it from the App Store, and log back in. This clears any cached account state that may be causing the mismatch. If you're using your browser, you can just close the browser first and then reopen it once again to reset it. Now, if your account is correct, payment is confirmed, and the app still behaves like a free account, just contact Crunchyroll support directly through help.crunchyroll.com with your account email and billing platform. Once everything is set, your premium access will restore and ads will stop appearing. Following these simple steps makes fixing Crunchyroll Premium quick and easy.